The Dogecoin whales are piling back into the crypto market right now and accumulating Dogecoin. Earlier today, Bitcoin actually hit $100,000. I actually made a little bit money on a nice long and actually took my profit when Bitcoin hit 100K. And I'm keeping an eye out for some Dogecoin trades, and I want to walk through some of the key areas that I'm looking at for Dogecoin right now as whales are reaccumulating. I have not budged on the stance where I believe Dogecoin will easily achieve $1, in my personal opinion, in 2025. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I've been in the crypto space since 2016. Dogecoin is a staple to this crypto market, in my opinion, and I think it's going to have a lot of upside. In the meantime, there's some tremendous trading opportunities, but the whales are accumulating and getting ready for those higher prices along the way. Let's get into it and talk a little bit about what exactly is going on with the whales on Dogecoin in this video, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop right into this one. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at $98,000, which is fine. Our fear and greed index is a little bit lower, and one thing we say is buy when others are fearful. Buy the dips. I've been DCAing into my favorite coins through this dip, and right now there is no doubt that Dogecoin is at a discount. You just have to look at this easily and see over the last 7 days, Dogecoin is down 25%. So what happens when there are dips, my friends? Very, very simply put, there is, boom, whales that are buying the dip. Dogecoin whales buy 750 million coins in a recent market dip, a sign of confidence in the market. So we are seeing more folks start to accumulate this and get into this market right now. The whales are trying to start getting back in to these assets because right now we are clearly on a dip. Let's just go straight over to what our total market cap has done. If you see it, it's at a huge dip. It came back down below 3 trillion, which is a very significant level. And if you look at Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is way down from its highs that it had earlier this year. If you look in even in December of 2024, Dogecoin is currently down a whopping 47%. You know, a couple months ago when this was up here, people were begging for a dip. People were wishing that they could have bought Dogecoin lower. And the same people are panicking that Dogecoin is low down here, which makes no sense. The whales are accumulating right now. And to be honest with you guys, at this very moment in time, let's zoom in on the chart here. This is broken. First of all, this is broken out of this wedge for Doge, and it has really come down. And so what I'm looking for is a recovery. The good news is Bitcoin looks like it's recovering right now, which is awesome. Actually, I entered a long right about here because I feel decent, a little long to kind of get this bounce. Bitcoin has broken out of a range. These are the 5-minute candles, but if I go down the hourly candles, you will see we were kind of tracking in this range for a little while. Well, Bitcoin broke out to the upside and is now, I think, having a bullish retest off the top of this range. Of course, I have my stop losses set. I'm looking at Dogecoin right now and saying, okay, well, it's kind of following a similar path to Bitcoin in terms of this same kind of range. Again, this is on the 4-hourly time frame for Doge. But if you do look, actually, excuse me, let me go back to Doge. I'm bouncing around too much here. But if I do zoom in a little bit, let's zoom in a little bit on the 5-minute candles here for Doge. It is right now basically right on that trend line. So honestly, in this very moment, I don't mind the idea of potential along to the upside here. I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now at this very moment. I think that it looks like it wants to get a bullish retest and maybe break back above 100K, keeping in mind $100,000 is going to be some mental resistance. So again, I'm setting my stop losses. But this Dogecoin price has broken out of the range and looks like, just like Bitcoin, that it wants to get a bullish confirmation off the top of this and continuing to the upside. February is historically a very bullish month for crypto. We have seen Dogecoin come down quite a bit versus Bitcoin as of late, as we've seen the Bitcoin dominance chart actually skyrocketing recently, coming up in a very big way. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Let me go out to the 4-hourly time frame here for Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been skyrocketing as of late, and today we had some weakness in it. I would like to see it start coming back down. I do think that my most bullish case scenario that I personally want to see would be this as a top for Bitcoin dominance. And so there's a world where Bitcoin can still outpace Dogecoin for a little bit. Dogecoin has broken below one of the key trend lines that I've been looking at for it versus Bitcoin. At some point, though, when Bitcoin dominance does top out, I expect it to happen maybe somewhere around here at 63% would be my hope. Again, that's not financial advice. That would be the moment where I would expect Dogecoin to be able to get back above this key area that we were looking at so long for Doge, hopeful that it would hold above here, but we had a little bit of a slip below this level as total market cap slipped down, Bitcoin slipped down. So in the short term, what am I looking at? Well, I am looking at a potential long opportunity, and this is a short time frame type of long, guys, kind of a scalp trade almost, where I'd be looking at, this is a potential buying zone because we've broken out. We're having sort of bullish retest off the top of this range. I do believe that zooming out and looking at what the long-term price action is for this, again, you're at a 50% discount from Dogecoin from its highs it had back in just December of this year. And if you just very simply look at the previous bull market's previous all-time high for Dogecoin is an easy 2.36x away. That is a beautiful gain you can get on your money, and I think that's going to be super easy to see Dogecoin achieve in this bull market. Every single day, people are talking about this Department of Government Efficiency, and Doge is being said every day. It certainly has brand awareness. It is the largest meme coin to date still, and I remain bullish on it. If you want to do some trades and you want to join me in some of the trades, you can sign up for Blofin using our link in the comments, in the description. If you want to trade Dogecoin and look at an opportunity to take a long position right here, you could do so using our link. It is pinned in the comments section for you guys down below if you want to check it out. I'll open up a little bit of it. I'll just open up a little bit of a long right now on stream while I'm with you guys just to kind of get something going. This is a nice little 10x long. Boom, I'm going to buy it long a little bit. There you go. It's that easy. I'm going to have a little long because I do actually like this level right now. I'm peeking at it and I'm thinking, we might get a little Dogecoin bounce here. Feeling pretty decent about that. So I'm going to enter a little long here. So I just did. Bitcoin's still kind of bouncing off this trend line. So we're going to keep an eye on it again. I'm going to go back and set some stop losses now on this trade. But in the long term, guys, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I personally believe that Bitcoin is going to have a beautiful, beautiful bull market. And if Bitcoin is a beautiful bull market, well, then Dogecoin is likely going to have one too. I believe personally that we could see it easily see a $1 Dogecoin. I think we might even be able to see a $2 or $3 Dogecoin in this bull market. Are you guys still in agreement on that, or do you disagree? I want to know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Leave them below for me, guys. That is all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. DCA, hold on, my friends, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Please remember, folks, you got to do your own research in this crypto space. These markets are turbulent, but if you look at what is going on in this space right now, the overall narrative, the total picture, when you zoom out, is bullish for crypto. And if you're looking for another platform to DCA into this asset class and get into crypto and have an easy place to go from your bank into crypto, you can sign up for crypto.com as well using our link down below. That is all I have for you in this one, guys. 2 videos here if you want to check it out. I'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.